Hello, agus fáte hiag na seanslí mas maiile seansa gláú clochiad na seanslí is mis chiimiigla cheada agus téma mo bhála hain de ranna farste faoi lethir Tá actually mar leabaí móhainn seo ar nós tan le sleepover club inis agus tá se bhar fád tá curú ar fád agah to Charles Swissig Mashamra or Lá Fhéile Vailintín. Wait, no, that came out wrong. 1 second. No, hold on. Tá seo Mars Ghra, lemuid cólaci, lemuid curge or dúspáir tá seo le aine bhuiir. Aine go mar that too.
From maith, tá gras an air aniu hiú. Maar is lá inta special dat dan?
Is lá inta special é an lún in éhhaint Lá Fhéile Vailintín.
Bhí deir seachna Harbh specialta an lá na Ghra agus críthe agus rudí bandearga.
And hopefully no regrets, because I can't feel like gan ein regret man seo fásta le James ó Flaherty, James Jimmer Tatu. As bre latte, James. You love it. Come on.
Oh, stop.
Come on.
No, in my shoe heart, egg over chin to Dean. Like, it was at triúr dig. It been Valentines. It been actually a lot. Yeah.
Oh, God.
You couldn't have car freaking pink. I could accidentally hamish my hoodie pink. Like, New York Samsa that I was grandma so culture. Like,
So Rodini kind of a garkert as just a nodal kind of like
like we're really happy team players to these. You might like you fuck do happy. The match like stop happy. Then I just went with the chance of that. You might like just be a Valentine's and Valentine's Day, even though I didn't mean it.
Bedrick Glock should
no, for the single people, huh?
I was gonna well she wasn't gonna read Bedrick Glock should more go to see Cahu Buenjarg or Valentine's to go to kind of like Fogru. You're like, oh, listen, Yama and Kadra for B, like Bedger. Listen, super sexy teacher, fun second. Do you know?
No, the end of the game, no near machine in the man. You might get him a post hall. You might get him a post hall.
Just like singletons a teach le chéile is tí san ollscoil cos le an sána grúta chun dul aige. Bhí chun de Valentine's a caiú a sána na ro?
Sorry, cumhní go sin.
I thought like loads of them are in Talu like the single. Look, it's probably the same idea as a dating app. Like, I think it's just fucking really fucking funny idea.
Yeah, tá glór áitní ra come to our hot tub and we'll give you a free bottle of prosecco. Like, tá siad really gurí daoine a hairnte sta a valú stat an Lá Fhéile sin nílas gom cén fá, but tá siad it's sort like speed dating sa sána.
Yeah, I seen like fresh in like it is a really bougie art. Like it's like tattoo like in relaxation like a chill mode is 100 like so it is kind of like pretty cool and all. I seen like the price on the chin, like I've been to chat to that in the keys. Agus ma Ibn Shamach like that the girl goes she's got pig that she's Borway. Oh, it's really ass. Agus the girl like pizza and dinner all free. Agus puts all Fiona yapping they're taking around. So I think you get the idea cool though. Like,
James don't know it.
So anyway, James, Jim Ravine pizza and pig. Jim Ravine.
No matches. I think what Holland is doing the tradition though. In the run clubs is really even
Nahasi are in the fucking run clubs, the singles lumsa. I cannot imagine in rugby's
not like if like 100 like it's all kind of health and fitness in it anyway. Like so
yeah.
Like, was that like that apps on the dating apps like 100 like so? What's a better lena go the chusgaser or machacha go? Want to let the van kele sauna nu go want to let a dating app nervy to chud desperate kena go to Shawadi Siller go to a dating app like.
If you want to read better go to read like oh yeah the covenant gum hanik my sauna you be like ken sort illicit like club or do Ian Shaw
can't have their nightclubs in sauna.
Yeah, exactly. To cost it like my actually in Berlin, do you know like that's because in the lobby or fun chimpler and that whatever like do smooch like Ken size you know kinky man in my hair like you know not to say genuine crack shot.
Hey no, I would have shout out Haley Saunas. I think it's a great idea.
Look, if we date or die Ogun you never home Jinga James if you am or die
exactly. I guess to be honest didn't do jam with the girl to like that one that short for sure. You know It's just like you need to like the bhí mu is caiint agus córa agus ringe mu damod nach ra oring a seart is ruí. Té fá ví sam grom se sána ag deide na gra spéladí hiú fágá suas.
Bhí sé ar nós cartoons nar acin like dingy like dingy like really tarn se agus just like it's like ice popping out exam with steam out just so us.
Críthe léimte maithas do thuúla.
And bhil cumnig go James bhí so an rud bhíonas go chéan tú san ar fá tomá agus chéan tú sa cold plunge in é. Agus bhí mu go cant is chóra an dáimín mud a gcóí cant is a chóra agus sin go thomlan siú éalaigh. Agus bhí lad an teart ag si an nachlinn sa ice plunge. Agus fair play to you for keeping up the Irish in here, like as if
In here,
yeah, as if we're like man, hey, Gaelic Lord, Matt had the body temperature so good, like go the Gaelic bunch of Gajira, like Matt had to flee in the hard skin, fi came, degrees the body heat, like
near us sin go muda as on iher an tíd agus go mar an muide seach an aige go se chofuú céile leis an ice plunge sin. So an éas go a hen go chucha an ice plunge nu a tú as canter íholta
go hairíonn a tú i Pléann agus sinna cead teanga a teagan hiag de chean nu tú bastard hénig dhé a helm
agus fun fact inne ag na láise dat dunaána tá gaige acu so just saying.
Oh, well then.
There we go.
Tá seo, like, by the way, níl seo uirthe ag Héliosánas. Leor fao Héliosánas, I'd say Cara or Nisher bud credit.
Allegedly. Má tá si be Ghra orí.
See, is Soko do lad A James inis ní lad on Carua níos mó is Bear Market is Green Line Lewis A is tá se cáman suite is síl bailach líanais,
Ach sin a rud atá aisteach dúsa faoi like na grúpi seo, like cén fág bhfuil ar dús ní sé dá cloiste gom fuú imáideach líon níor thula faoin na grúp seo a béala. Ach cití bhfuil daoine gléic like an taim sin arthú ghfuil siad fa chuine daoine single, like nach rud é go déon tú heige Gwil Simagatan as Bulan to le Dineganella go Simakuan. That already existed. Like just it's running club Shanae. Bulan to le Dinas running club a mile of Ghra and you hit it off. Agus been gwelvracht go. Céim fág a gad shrug or singles running club Tá dini de show o húsama I gol caiu bhaimsrí as a búla dini. It's like
spoken like a true long-term relationship band. Being like, ní higam céin fá, go the thing is English ar fád.
Fág go seach a dagar a dini casa na chéile.
Sorry now, the James the kind nóí nach bhela náhfuil sin I go ar chuine ar bhí. Agus níl sin fear in a shame. So stop the victimizing, okay? Tá tusa dénne go maiith sílam on méid sa cloiste agamsa.
2025 was really the year of the catch.
Yeah, well, damn right. 2020 thrive mar dearan siad.
Oh yes.
Jay Futsa Hugh, Jay Futsa, cén clan. Har dóhéar shots na lá Valentine.
Go leis gal James, go mó leis.
Johnny as a Hugh Shaya.
Oh yeah, the must a wallet I run the farste. Much tushmori lá Valentine. Let me tell you.
So she rushing the Valentine. Cute.
She brellas like Evian. Erin Heading.
Son of Rushing Care.
Listen, Mama Car, big 6'1", the Cougar, the dad got a Shaska, and again couple of shot thing. So it's killed like sort of flag almost a while more go much killed a yenu Kelleru or Breitland mom or Lyle Valentine agus for dad post nua in Satulin. So Beisha actually emihil a high brela sige. So Shaw killed our nosin and family the annual family get together at Harley and Morris mission thing is massive chat na wala like tugging dad na wala like betcha in ANX nor gober agus gofal chuck a ras na wala bet gach cookish or gach tree shocking whatever fanula hall in London a gofal bin she swal gorealta agus chain mum sheer go London and Tamerfod misha is misha like in Prodigal Son like Nick Neil arms at ain really No, I tried to start raw vinnick. It's like the D constant river if we like in privilege at egg like and mock is oige a chili agus it's go homlan fear. It is go hille is go homlan fear.
Smacker B is cum a cinní siú, just
Oh
put
yeah.
that out there. Is cum
Yeah.
a cinní mas ní sin an isáigiú.
But go Harry I think must they agus sure to this more gear in the James like to Jennifer ni sin yogurt agus then no to sin and lad is oige like you're like the golden boy like to a what to kaija a wad ní surge le hai like the Jennifer ní sinne is a tag and igen jar nish igen am kearne ma urkan tour like puck 3 dúine mór pleisttí tá like na kid to puck 3 do fanula mar Bobby agus níl like act like triúr opamsa like triúr túsa because they were like okay the novelty's worn off now
Oh yeah. Like oh yeah second child syndrome níl se có exciting den tuismóí tá si tursa because tá si tuirt ar the toddler eile cumáid lesa gurí fáil tríd mar géine tá bhád níos mó picú do dheair na tá dúsa sáile.
Ní mór picú homsan dó like the gap more is a mistake rough way like chuig Pléann ag seach bliana, so it definitely is a happy mistake vi amsa.
Yeah, it was like like Bert Yevliana did the Jennifer and then all of a sudden just
yeah and then the prodigal son arrives.
Tá hí se Lord fao seo because tá sé ráte hiúas ma héile blianta náhfuil winna fiú cinnte.
Oh stop yeah.
Mata Chila ag James. Cuní se síl clunne aige cófad hiúil ó híal socialte na gailgus aige nar bhfuil mud fós le tuismothirí na Jennifer James. So honestly just ní chreid mé gro a le headán. Hí mé gur just gur Hanny James a mahas plúis like agus nar rotish moriega.
Like in Lord of the Rings, the Urukai, just like a chat them
he just was. He just became,
It's actually it was a golden cocoon.
Oh, sorry, come on, let's go. Yeah,
ach, iné, bhí me muoí scoil Victoria I dtí na tafad ar heola féidir rua agus cé a darkroom agus dark mé rasrí is me. Oh, sílam bhéidir go lána go mar an galín seo. As he'll message the sheet to say I was like, that's a Jennifer James. Now, Kai Madwell, ní rós cum céin Jennifer, so ní ruirt me aim seki.
Okay.
So just dirt by toss Jennifer James. Ach, I can confirm tá Clonnig James.
Buíos le
dia. I mean, who knew? Ní rós
Sinné mór áine vín go
mar aine. Okay. Chalí ní the jazz. Ach, dúirt si faoin budcréilú. Dúirt si orint a chumar siúla. Ach an sin bí sin ní me cí bheith éisiach leis an stuff a bhín James ará. Tá rudí nach gá dhéar for a clúisteil agus dúirt sé an overca and I was like, yeah, tell me about it. I know. Pas gunne dúirt James an overca, but níor sweetie bheith riú clán wacht James ag éisiach leis sin ar an taobh.
Oh yeah, sinna fá nach like they're all for Brandwer mar DG Car nu géisiach le agalúh ar sports daoine ar balls nó cin ach sin like éisiir se gití ó seo ach sin béisi le gra okay friggin young friggin Nissan Joe Biden got a heart to tree on friggin chat on daoine I don't know.
Hey, you gonna walk you home? Hey, you gonna walk you home?
Hey,
you gonna walk you home? Ar leid níl si a group chat. There was just a group chat bit níos más éis ná na TikTok DMs fásta.
Tá sin supportive is just I don't think you should get a close lag and the mar. I don't think we should get a close when few na víns about lobes the fear hills gati. So
just going on and on if we park in Croaky and Tam or fudge.
There goes James again.
Oh, reach.
Well, Cheshire squad you reached.
I know a time of fucking bag laundry by the more version.
Bag laundry?
Well, don't want me folks a genu the Kajanikan.
No.
Oh my god, no.
That's pathetic.
No, Jay.
No, like literally, no wonder Nakul to go up to Kalina Isle.
Wow, okay, you're my shit, but
yeah, jeez.
Oh no, James. What do Abel say you know?
Oh, the man you know, unfortunately. Pray for me.
Really, yeah. R.I.P. Listen, James Bond. So tattooing on the anu, it's just you tugging to the wallet.
Ní bhíon mo mála laundry chomór seo nuair thugann mo bhála.
Yeah.
Like being gear bag agus bí me ag a gym nuair cíns agus just it happens go bhíon cúpla rud a seo. agus sin go má bhála ag fá go man bagí go doras and it just magically just clean.
But náhfuil tú sa gníis a híanaan tú teás. Ní any me sin na mháí ní roií mé job dé Jenny me héine is be jazz agus cinálta agus Jenny me cuptéidir hí seag sé lééis sin de cosa chu dar.
Oh no, fád má ná. It's in cup of tea.
Yeah, come on.
Oh,
Yeah.
here's your medal going above and beyond.
Nah, have our medals. Don't start them off again.
Yeah, medals.
Níl Kenny Oler.
Yeah.
It's mission team than the medals. No, honestly, like ní íram orm just literally siúil me seach doras
So annoying. Like,
agus
how
fág go
dare
mutí
she?
hart agus sin just seam sheets and then ail mi chéad leile agus be intentions am le gine ach bín se already dintas be like what the hell mom thanks million though ach I should be like yeah.
James is like, what? We must really get yenu. Like,
That's exactly it. Níim go chu bhála. If this má an á seo an go an me se óháile agus go á go móháda ag go doras le chus gear football se han agus it automatically gets clean tá me se go out agus it doesn't matter má tá seachtaigh nó seachtú seacht má an ásin fós an
Wami bok like cake in the dish like I'll do a gear bag, James. Come into good shorts in me.
I will say though, like done ked like couple of Pléann if you're mission more clear. Like then to chart Nawala, obviously gan mífholláin because I'd be like, a Genuine in UCD, no maithreacha whatever. I just be like, well, her like size like Gartia. She was like, "Knock well in Adog with Lani like in Shaw," and I was like, "What are you on about?" No, of course, Neil. Like can't find leading Moel la Ada Sala like I guess Daniela like Vima a bulu like Wilma like a couple things but like clear ag Brela Halka her mar go se past their ban as swords agus so vi ma conscious na dingy shows but like agus fish like yeah cause ni higima like to guess that's the galamad like lads to now agus go fod bin glaucus was in Nihan so is gji moher siga like in Tamar fad whatever I think we'll just thing on agus this just like an inkinsaku good guy should a shiniyanu or like tell a couple tishmar you're like that's what I mean though. That's the golden boy though. That's Shannon Road like.
And Shiv sin is artini now grow mommy like a curbelchi rash live fegan school or hokal she dinner deep a gull rash.
Oh no.
I can't she'd in the groceries Dave so now shiv rash.
I think in Kedder
like double like I would steal yeah, we must go on Garo Gugani like so we should it's gonna
but we're and yanok she belchi riu ditched on chachten mar taskum galordi NUIG as vec like shepherd's pies gentas like curries and genta it portions like
oh my god
containers exila yeah
no but I will say ebe kid be on a dinger an ikke ta duna you right as noch go mar dinger am a loon. So
okay.
Going sin seach an lunchbox as was sin an loon, but the rest of the week doggy
torture.
€2 chicken fillet rolls, pot noodles,
beans, bagels,
the breakfast bars. We do now. Company with the chocolate Nestle.
Sully and Sully soups.
Yes, agus Rice Krispie Squares.
Dantra.
Really? So Nero healthy James Agonian.
No, not a culture. We should be fatty culture.
You want to really fat, will my lads? You want to really fat.
It was, it was the chubby era. It was a chubby era.
General, the BMI was not BMIing.
No, the BMI was at 62 years of age, I'd say.
Well, look, fecum cathedral mommy's sugov, mar Valentine sugov Lena.
Wow.
Once
cute, again, no one's
of course that she'd, because Jenna she'd were good Nichan.
Yeah. Well, Nia should be
actually, for future Valentine's maithreacha, I mean, Banadi of Nima expect dog when you come, by the way.
If you've ever got a balak and I was like, no, James, no, James.
James, I'm learning. Kid toilet the occurs just a washing machine is either torch tomorrow.
But James, cahi gul planning egin ogat san der shachna seo as caitu get a bug tea hurt in it. Ní credum nachul rud or be romance bill.
No credum. Yeah, no.
Maar that's gum gul tu bula le gwynna fwy le tamlanus as gul ruddy gul balach mai.
Tamil is cup seachtain. So
Come on.
So níl tú buú le híon deir seachna seo?
Lad.
I don't think so. I think that would be very forward, you know?
I would agree. Cave
Yeah.
a couple of shocking. Lad.
Yeah.
James!
Literally, see
What? Mr. Steve James and Shaw.
Yeah. Tá go muo de saring, and that's as romantic as I go. Tá má go go beacon le
Iad
fist
sir go
cup.
sin fós uchte agus go laglar bheith ró like forward.
No, but like is
This
in
is sin do go bhhain tú sta an ghfuilbhre.
Okay,
Oh.
so Tá go na éisiirí chuirteach a secret bug job.
oh god, okay.
Agus tá a Q a seo má outwardly dús Qlum ggóil se seo. Tá definitely commitment issues am.
Yes.
Yeah, you don't say.
Yes, there V arms a institch just or ugly.
Yeah,
Actually,
but like I wasn't clocking it because there's Q at, and then
Bhí a gom iné an Colleen Journa girl 5 an sin.
I wouldn't say wow.
Oh, Laura Mahane is huge. We've discussed this.
And but listen, I wouldn't say you're 5A. It's just this
No.
stray, you know?
It's rudé go dtí glad brewer.
Yes.
But an rud is granra fao seo na tá mis tar choirlid an vertigh agus tan vertigh sé garcurm like you're crazy as if nachhuilis like bhí hiú a gar có skeptical an sin ra ó gen iirecht ar dhear seach na Valentine and you're like she doesn't have a clue.
What would she know? Anyway, instant queen ocht blian the cadre of the steel. How would you know?
I don't know. The main shit imróga James and ish. Yeah, and just rud bilganacht. Like just rud ein bilga aildi. No ear he dove when you Johnny Sterney agus treatalí. Just something small. Just a little.
Ní má ggó fi lá because my body's a temple.
Well, he glad zero agus. Leisgil.
I will say there. I think Kite, you have to temper expectations. Is mission then you into like cautiously optimistic and time fad whatever. That'd be roll out those suit arms. Just a rare like. Do you know?
You're like in my expertise.
In my expertise, in Doyle you're like, yeah, hell yeah, brother. Like, Ghra, go on, good job, whatever. But again, I'm caring you don't want to go all the way. You know, like the Lá Fhéile Vailintín is, killed up for the hardcores. You know.
No.
It's like the dingy that rock up to an All Ireland final day gan invention and Tamer Fod like that. This isn't for you. You know, you can be connected.
Bandwagon.
Okay, well, like the make her mar seo. Dúir tu san acol tú ach golar chuní leis an galín seo le trí seachnaí. Bhí Mrs. Killian na gola má I mí. So hosí mud ghlach sé mí ar an gol isteach an ghfuilbhreacht. So
Oh wow.
But sin mé go bhfuil muid chéile beidir dhéana triúr 9 na seachtainna.
Yeah, the first vi se bháin óg.
Listen, you're a mar now le genu of
Longer.
he said nothing else to be at, like, past in the yoga. The past in the yoga I say as if I'm not fun employed. You're even few much cash arts with any kid curdled to see any Lá Fhéile Vailintín. Spending with my boyfriend.
No. Tá mis Harbh graithe agus ní bhéh de go marní an a go dtíní journey. Tá go yeah, cos cum mo do má ag an garúa cos éach déile siúil bín si go general ag an mhain sin. So cum mis go má as féle ruúa hafad as an sin na teachtarráis agus tá dul ag deile don dinner.
Oh.
Agus sin
Be lum sa bheit garú.
Idir bhhaim raim me go dín Kistin nó Apache an áit.
Yeah, the romantic spots.
Yeah.
Treat yourself.
No.
Yeah.
Treat yourself.
Neither's Hugh kid a session. It was just an inquisition ermse.
Sélinn tá sé a caiú le nó bháí.
Tá caile agus le yadi agus le dhearfar. Listen, you lane plans from silly.
Calmas are all fresh in. Ní mi sé te that we got a date early, so just put that out there.
You worked here to be.
Oh, would you look at the time? Sorry.
I think Ronar yesterday da Hugh Thomas got a Ghra Hugh to race base on Tafacha Kirchli because I'm scared.
Yeah, I know. I genuinely I think a guy was cursed out. Like this isn't me trying to avoid it. But
so sin an cliffhanger than Jack and Shogun.
Bela fecal. Listen, chance come in our date Ella of Jaron I grant and you'll never know. I
know.
Badger.
The fact was with Valentine's because he mother-son problems go.
Tá sé le nascí an Ghra sin atá ag dohami de bhac le
Mom, I know nach chu tú géistecht, but it's a Valentine.
Ugh.
Tá laundry le tíod.
Oh, God. All right, tá gur cruic le seag. Gurmí maigad géis na sean lia mat gaiir ma jam sin man host ar Instagram ar Twitter agus ar YouTube ar seansaí, mat gur aim sin man host mar anywhere Instagram, anywhere Twitter agus anywhere TikTok, mat gur James Amsterdam host mar flahar tachar Instagram, flahar tachar Twitter agus flahar tach ar TikTok agus mat gur hé am ar ná man host mar Hugh Carhiir Instagram, Hugh Carhiir Twitter agus just Ghra Hugh Car ar TikTok. Ein gaiimiis logáil ó tá gailgar go bhéh má farste le ling seach na gailge bhí sin fógraí sin le dearna son trí leéig Mahain, Torbí, Aidan McQueen, Sivanní Angasa agus Louise Édan, so absolute dream team agus bé níos mó rudí le fógrú ag chat so go seach na gailge, so keep the eyes out. Ein rodile gohfuilh seid thuirta before I get absolutely grilled in the post-match recording. Yeah.
Post-match interview.
Dúlang am gro deir seachna an in Valentine ag ahan duine históí.
Agus Ghra mór.
Ghra mór James agus Hugh.
All right, Emmy laugh. Right, Slán.
Well.